Timu ezirajwekere Uganda mu mizano y'amashomero ga senior ahabwa burenge rw'izoba bwa Africa zisimbwirwe nyemwe bazyo okuzomura bukedia aho emizano egerabe kandi neyo kutandika izoba rya nyenchakare.
Thank you so much for everybody.
Minister w'ebyemizano Honorable Peter Ogwang nuwasimbwire timu ezi aha mukoro gubire ha China Mbore.
And I want to challenge the president of the Federation of East African Secondary Schools Association that I'm going to be there if you're going to allow other countries to bring children who are older than our children. I will petition.
Abeja barukwika 16 kurugwa mu mashomero na rumwe nibo barajwekere Uganda kandi Minister Ogwang ahamize ko President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni na Minister w'ebyemizano Janet Kataha Museveni nibo barigureho emizano eji aha mukoro ogurabeho aha Sunday.
Even as we go to Kenya for competitions, I want to request you, when you're in this field, when you're in the pitch, ask yourself, am I disciplined? Am I playing a clean sport? No wonder I have been very emphatic, and the minister has been very emphatic to insist that we want children of the right age to compete in these secondary schools competitions.
Ngandi muzanyo wa basket ku St. Mary's Kitende. We were the champions last year. This year, twagalira kubera abawanguzi.
Emizano eje neija kwetabwamo abeja barukwika 13 okurugwa mu mahanga garimo Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda na Burundi kandi nibije kwayahayana omizano etari emwe n'emwe erimo kwiruka, okubaka, ompira gw'ebijere, basketball, tennis, rugby, hockey, badminton, handball, okuzha hamwe na volleyball.